When selecting interior design and decor for a living room, den or solarium, some homeowners or renters forget the importance of furniture leg styles. Combining different stylistic modes and designs in legs as you choose your furnishings can create a very fashionable and pleasing room. Yet it is essential to select the best furniture leg styles to align with and complement your overall interior decor. The furniture that you select for furnishings the rooms of your home has a strong impact on your home's overall interior design. Whether you choose to use one style of furniture and accessories in each room or to mix and match stylistic modes, the chosen sofa, chair, table, bench or bed and vanity dresser style will determine the fashionable mood and appeal of each room. Many people consider furniture legs to be an insignificant element of room decor. Since furnishings come with suitable legs when you purchase them, they may go unnoticed at first. Yet, since the legs rest on the floor and can receive steady, everyday wear and tear, furniture legs can break or become worn looking rapidly. It is common to need to replace the legs of your favorite furniture pieces long before the couch, bed or chair needs replacing. One strong and durable furniture leg material is industrial pipe or plumbing pipe. These pipes could be used to make legs for different furniture types. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you metal table legs made with industrial pipes or plumbing pipe table design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. For already subscribed member, please like and share these videos so that it could reach a wide range of audience. There are three main features concerning furniture leg styles that must be considered to create a pleasing and successful furniture plan: the leg height, the leg shape, and the leg material. With the right pairing of leg and furniture designs, you can achieve a cohesive, unique, and stunning room interior. Essential advice and tips for successfully matching your furniture leg style with your interior design include the following. Number 1. Leg height. When you furnish your room with sofas, chairs and tables that have different leg heights, you can create a visually pleasing and comfortable interior. For example, try combining a solid base coffee table with a pair of chairs that are supported by legs measuring approximately 6 inches in height. Then add a couple of side tables with much taller legs that are about 15 to 20 inches high. You may want to add a stylish credenza with 4-inch turned legs and another chair with open base tapered legs measuring around 8 inches in height. By doing such adjustments, you can see which one fits better. Number 2. Leg shape. The shape of the legs of your furniture should be varied to create a stylish yet unique room interior. By combining a straight-turned, tapered, cabriolet, and other leg shapes, you can produce a customized fashion statement for your living room, family room, den, home office, or solarium. Even if most of the furniture in your room has straight or tapered legs, try mixing in a few other leg designs to add a pleasing custom touch. Number 3. Leg material. Your room's interior design and decor should display a variety of materials and finishes. To fully complement and enhance the overall look and ambience of this space, try selecting furniture legs of the same or similar materials and finishes that other items display. If there are elements of antique brass, polished Java wood, or a semi-gloss black lacquer finish in this interior, select some legs that are made of the same material or exhibit the same finish. By following this advice, you can produce a room with qualities of a major designer's touch. As we have mentioned before, your furniture and furniture legs can affect your overall interior design significantly. To some home and apartment dwellers, this may become evident only after they replace a chair, table, or sofa with a model that does not blend well with the room's primary style of decor. In addition, although furniture legs may seem insignificant, if these legs are replaced when worn with a style or material that clashes with the fashion and composition of the furniture piece itself, this can create stylistic issues. The overall design and decor of your room may no longer seem cohesive and attractive. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting metal table legs made with industrial pipes or plumbing pipe table design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.